Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pidre, and this we are going to make our video today on our boom 500 1 minute time frames. Boom 500 1 minute time frames. You can see here we have our indicator on store on our chart. We have our not reprint indicator, which is this particular trend. We have the trend, the red 9 and the blue 9 here. That is our not reprint indicator, and you can see how massive the works on this particular chart. And also we can see that this particular indicator does not reprint. And also we have the trend also in the market. We have the trend line that we use for our trend. This is also not reprint indicator. We have the bigger red arrow here, and we also have the green for the uptrend also. But I want to tell you guys, this is how to use the combination of these two indicators together. You can see we have our big arrow at this particular area. This represents our trend that have reversed at that particular spot. So immediately we have our longer downtrend. You are going to see this particular arrow appear, and it does not reprint. It appear on this particular chart, and it does not disappear. So you can see it appears on a downtrend, and we starting taking our downtrend on a massive trend. So if you see that this particular arrow is too much, is having too much distance to each other, you can decide to be taking every of the downtrend on that particular move. And this is the example of it. You can see our first arrow here for downtrend. You can see after confirming this particular trend, we can see this another longer one. If we want to be scrapping just little bit, and we have another one here currently on the move, and that is so massive, guys. That is so massive. And also we can see here that, let me show you the downtrend of this particular move so that you guys can see that it's really working. You can see this is the downtrend of it. You can see from this particular place to the massive uptrend that I just showed you guys. And we have our current update also here. You can see it go on a massive one. So you can take your trade from this particular zone to the next arrow candle that you can see, and you can take from this particular one massively to the uptrend that we see last. You can see this is the particular spot. This is where we have the particular spot here. So that is how this particular indicator works. So let me show you back on how you can see we have our uptrend here, and we can see there's a massive downtrend at this particular zone. We can see there's a massive uptrend from this particular zone. You can see from this particular zone up to this particular zone is another massive one move before it moves from here to the downtrend. So this indicator is one of the best indicators that you can help yourself with. So for you to also get this indicator is very simple. All what you need to do is to join our Telegram group and get access to me and but this particular indicator is not for free. It is not for free, guys. It is not for free. So you just need to help yourself with a lot of this particular strategy to have an accurate result. So you can see how massive this particular indicator move up to here, and we have another downtrend from here to another one here, and we have another massive one, big one. So you can decide to be taken from this particular spot we have to this particular spot, and you can decide to be taken from here to here, and we have it on a massive uptrend. And currently now, if we check the back also, we can see another one here for downtrend, and you can see that I really even take this trade, but I take out of this trade from this particular zone, and it go massively to this particular zone. So that is how this indicator works. It works on the best accurate trend move of the particular trend, and this indicator works on step index. It also works on pain X and gain X, so you can use it on any of the pair that you like. But I have a complete setting that you need to use for this particular for you to have this particular setup for an accurate level. So for you to get this indicator, kindly reach out to me on my Telegram, and I promise you guys that I will respond to you guys. Thanks.